One of the romantic, magical things on Valentine's Day is the bedroom, in which you can really spill the wine of love on your partner. So, here are some very important tips for how to decorate your bedroom on Valentine's Day and treat your partner with serendipity. 1. Lighting can be very effective to spice up the romance in both of you. Also, keep the lighting not so sparkling, i.e. soft lighting should be the way. 2. Candles can evoke feelings of intimacy. They also let the stress run away and make your eyes focused on the pulchritude of your love and the candlelight. Also, they give a romantic look to the room. Besides, they should be grouped together in many corners of the room for the best effect. 3. Make it a point to add dimmer switch to the lighting so that psychologically, you will be induced to romantic feelings. 4. Also, one should place mirrors in such a way that it will reflect the softened light. This will give more depth to your bedroom. 5. One should select such window curtains or dressings that are plush, alluring and dark so that it can curb lights from traffic or any sort of external noise from intervening in the romantic mood that is created. 6. Also, the window dressing, if matched with the bedding you choose, will make a lot of difference to the whole look of the bed and the room, thus adding a buzz to the romantic appeal of the room. 7. Draperies or curtains that catch the wind and flow can make one feel like swaying to the charms of the respective partner. This will also add a zing to the romantic appeal of the room. 8. Bedding, obviously, is the pivotal point of the whole decor of the bedroom, as it's the criteria of the impression that is created in front of the partner. Silk and satin can be the perfect fabrics for your bed. It will give you a relaxed comfort in the bed, making it cozy and thus sexy for the night. 9. If one could not afford the expensive silk and satin, then they could go for sateen. It is really unbelievable too that same cozy and luxurious effect can be felt with 100% cotton sateen sheets. Also, you do not have to pay your arm and a leg for the material, thus making you feel more comfortable and relieved of the high cost. This comfort will help you in your bed too. 10. Choosing the color of the bedding remains as central as ever to the fortunes of your romantic night. One can do everything right, but miss the bus on colors and spoil everything, thus resulting into a pure wastage of hard work. It could be very frustrating indeed if any such thing occurs. So, one should go for pearl, gold or bronze, as they are known to create an environment of romance into your bed. Just do not go for any of the unconventional colors such as gray, yellow or pink. Red, black, white, blue and green are also some of the few popular colors that can be trusted upon to make use on that special night, i.e. Valentine's night. Thus, one should be really cautious about colors. 11. Adding an interesting texture for bedding is also equally important. Faux fur, velvet and velour are soft, rich fabrics that can be made use for comforters, blankets and throw pillows. One of the best and well-known luxuries bedding maker is the Peacock Alley. A warm, romantic bed linen set named as the Marrakesh Ebony is offered by them. It is equipped with the shaded of gold, green and ebony in prints that are reminiscent of the African plains. Truly, they look romantic when highlighted by candlelight. Moreover, the Vienna ensemble from Peacock Alley is 100% Egyptian cotton in white on white featuring eyelet lace. 12. If you are a big fan of the old-fashioned romance, then you could make use of Euro sham, coverlet, boudoir pillows. These kinds of pillows really take you to 1800s with the interesting impression it gives due to its fabric. 13. Adding to the tips, if you would like to cut down the expenses a bit, then be creative, i.e. try to design the bed according to your novelty. Just try to mix chic fabrics and create your own style of bedding. If your creation turns out to be good, then it can impress your partner like anything. Even if the creation does not turn out as good as expected, then too your partner will appreciate to the fact that at least you tried to be romantic, innovative and maneuver, unlike others who set the stage with a throw of some bucks. Thus, you can be safe in this approach. 14. Adding a canopy to your bed will be also good, but only if you want to go all out. It will give the bedroom a more spacious feel. 15. Finally, some soft romantic music and some potpourri will add a romantic zing, as good romantic music really turns on the romantic corner of one's mind. Besides, chocolates and champagne will generate a richer romantic feel. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.